Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta alla Cecina. First, grab a large, heavy-bottomed pan, like cast iron, and heat it well. Add dry spaghetti directly to the hot pan, toasting it until it's lightly browned and fragrant. This crucial step builds a unique flavor foundation. Simultaneously, have a simmering pot of spicy tomato broth ready. This broth will be your cooking liquid, added gradually to the pasta as it cooks. Next, push the toasted spaghetti to one side of the pan. In the cleared space, add a generous amount of olive oil, then sauté minced garlic and fresh chili until aromatic. Stir in a few tablespoons of concentrated tomato paste, cooking it down until it deepens in color. This caramelization adds incredible depth. Deglaze the pan with a small splash of white wine or a bit of your prepared broth, scraping up any flavorful bits. Now for the signature assassina technique. Begin adding your hot, spicy tomato broth to the pan, one ladleful at a time, just enough to cover the pasta. Let the liquid absorb and evaporate, allowing the spaghetti to fry and crisp up on the bottom before adding more broth. This creates that distinctive crunchy texture. Continue this process, stirring occasionally, until the pasta is perfectly al dente with delicious crispy edges. Once your pasta has reached that ideal al dente texture with beautiful crispy bits, taste and adjust the seasoning. A final drizzle of high-quality olive oil can enhance the richness. Garnish generously with fresh basil or chopped parsley for a burst of freshness and color. Serve your pasta alla Cecina immediately, ensuring everyone enjoys the incredible contrast between the tender, saucy pasta and those irresistible crunchy, fried strands. Enjoy this unique dish.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.